Hey lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sylvia, for those that don't know. If you are new to my channel, hello, I invite you in. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. Please subscribe if you haven't already, guys. And let's get straight into this video. So in today's video, guys, I will be talking about HUMIXX iPhone cases. I've got my HUMIXX iPhone cases right there, guys, and I really like their cases. I love their cases. I'm currently using one of their cases, guys, and I so love it. They sent me the clear one, which I really love, guys, because as some of you may already know, I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max a month ago now, and I got it in gold, and so the clear one obviously shows the gold, and that's why I really love the clear one. What I also like, guys, it's really strong. This part is like rubber, but it's strong rubber. I love it. It's like, guys, I know that my phone will be 100% protected with this. I love it. It's so good, guys. They also sent me the black one, guys, which I really love also, but because my phone is gold, the sides are gold, the back is quite light gold, I won't be using the black one. So if you're interested, leave a comment down below and I may just send it out to you. So HUMIXX is an innovative e-commerce company. At the moment they have 3 main product lines: phone holders, wireless chargers, converter and adapters, guys. So everything basically you need for your phone, HUMIXX provides. You can find them on the HUMIXX website, or you can find them on Amazon, guys. They are really easy to find, guys. HUMIXX aims to bring the most powerful products, guys, in a reasonable price. So you would find a lot of stuff that you would like. I really like their products, guys. Like I said, it's strong. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel cheap at all, guys. You would really enjoy having their phone cases, guys. And so that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys are able to find what you like on the HUMIXX website, guys. And if you do find something, please leave a comment down below letting me know what you got. And also head over to HUMIXX Instagram page and follow them over there too. And don't forget to follow me also, guys. And subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share this video, guys. And I really appreciate you guys coming in and joining me and watching me, guys. I love you. Bye.